Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring the movement is safe. Remove the battery or pull the crown to stop the seconds hand so you don't damage gears. Next, place the watch face up in a movement holder to keep it immobile. This prevents slippage when you lift hands. Once done, use a loop and blower to clear dust. Then open the case back and gently expose the dial. Make sure you can see all 3 hands clearly before proceeding to removal. You now remove the hands in a controlled sequence to prevent collisions. First the seconds, then the minutes, finally the hour hand. Place protective shields over the dial and use straight hand levers or a hand puller to lift each hand vertically. Do not twist, which can bend arbors. Once a hand is free, transfer it with fine tweezers to clean paper or foam so they don't warp. Make sure alignment marks are noted so reinstallation returns correct time. You finish by precisely seating the new hands. Start with the hour hand at the chosen reference point, press it straight onto the hour cannon with a hand setting tool. Once set, add the minute hand and finally the seconds hand. Always check clearance by rotating the crown so hands don't rub. After installation, test the movement for smooth sweep and accurate timekeeping, reseal the case, and if you see rubbing, slightly lift or realign the offending hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.